So you want to install Wireshark on Linux? Alright, let's do this then. First, go ahead and grab up your terminal. And just to make sure everything is peachy frickin' keen, I want you to do a sudo apt update and let that run. And mine's already been taken care of, so it's already all up to date. Then we're going to go ahead and install Wireshark, which is sudo apt install Wireshark. Now, mine's already installed, so it's not going to go through the actual process, but once you hit enter there, you should have another screen pop up asking you if you want to allow non-root users access. Important, tell it yes. Do not hit no on that screen. You can change it later in the settings within Wireshark if you need to, but go ahead and hit yes on this screen for now to go ahead and allow that access. Now, once you've got that taken care of, so we can get the newest Wireshark whenever it's available, we're going to add a repository to our system by using sudo add -apt-repository. Well, once I can type. There we go. Space ppa : wireshark/stable and hit enter. That's going to add the official Wireshark repository to your system for when you're downloading updates. It'll look there for updates to your Wireshark program. And go ahead and hit enter on that and it'll add that repository. I'm not going to because I've already done that part. And then after you're done with that, go ahead and do a sudo apt update && sudo apt full -upgrade -y. Hit enter on that. We'll go ahead and let that process through. This will grab the updates for the Wireshark that you just installed from that new repository that you added, and then go ahead and automatically install it up to the newest version of Wireshark. Now, before you open Wireshark, do one more command, which is sudo chmod +x and then /usr/bin/dump cap. And I misspell it, of course. It's dumpcap. And then hit enter. That's going to change the modifications of that directory to where non-root users can actually use it, which includes Wireshark, because it needs to be able to do that. And then once you've done with all of that, you can go ahead and pop into your Ubuntu menu, scroll all the way over, and here you have Wireshark. As long as you did all that correct, Wireshark should open and you should not have any error on your screen. If the chmod failed or something, you probably will have an error about access, which you will need to correct. But this will show all of your network traffic coming in and out. You can run any kind of test that you need using Wireshark, see who's doing what on your network, and have a little bit better security than you used to. So enjoy, and don't forget to leave a like on the video if it helped you get Wireshark installed. And as always, don't forget to subscribe because that shows that you appreciate the videos.